Just want to get a recording.
You're fine.
Yeah.
All right. So the first thing I'm going to say is you're in a place. Where's your CPL at right now?
It's in my back pocket.
Yep, go ahead. Are you okay, just for everybody's sake, that we just at least set this on the table for right now?
It's a Glock, you know. So if you
can you remove it? Can you remove? Is it? How does your holster work?
There's a retention button right there.
But all right. Are you okay with me grabbing it?
Go ahead.
Okay. All right.
You're gonna have to pull the retention button first, though, man.
Oh, I got you. Right here.
Push it. Yeah. It's here, let me push it for you. It's for everybody's sake.
All right. Thank you. All right.
And like I said, it's a Glock. It's chambered, so you know.
Yeah, you're fine. You're fine.
It's got 3.5 pound trigger.
Yep, I know. Obviously, we don't want anything like that.
No way we're trying to inconvenience you at all.
All right.
Okay, we just
like I said, I've always come out here.
Yeah, it's not something we're not here to sit there and bust you for it. Obviously, we get a call, so we show up.
And you know, I can pull up your own document here too.
I've had a ton of contact with folks at Open Carry, and I don't have any problem with it. Actually, I don't even have contact with them because it is what it is. The only thing that I didn't quite understand before I came in here was I was pretty clear that.
And by the way, and I can clarify with our legal team. Thank you.
And by the way, I'm the former president of Michigan Open Carry.
Okay.
So you know, I'm pretty up to date on the Open Carry situation.
Okay. But I'm sure you understand that even legally, that these areas become somewhat gray.
MSP Legal Update 86. And this is your own training document material, by the way. Am I being detained?
Nope.
Okay.
We're not trying.
There's your document, man.
We're not trying to screw with the guy. I mean, if you want to get an attitude about it, we're not trying to screw with you. Okay. I would love the clarification as well. Okay?
If I'm not being detained, I've got anything else to say.
I'm not going to stand in front of you and say that I know everything about law, because I don't. Okay? But on the off chance that we're correct, then we have something that we need to police, which allows us to be here. Okay? Which allows us to be here. That's the only thing that's new to me.
That's what our bosses are for. Because I'm not sure either, honestly.
You said you come in here and you
Never had a problem.
Somebody probably just got a little bit spooked today or something like that.
You say you're referencing
A6. Written by your people. I have no idea what the sale of alcohol is in this place, do you?
It's about 50%.
It's on you to know. I hope you're clear in that. You made the choice to walk in here before you found, so if I found out it's over 50%, you are at fault. It's on the person, it's on the concealed carry, which, as you said, you're the Open Carry president, you were.
Yeah.
I'm sure you're familiar with the fact that the fault lies on you to figure that out.
And clearly you admit that it was open carried and that wasn't concealed carried.
No, because we already talked about the super carry law, which is what you're referencing.
Yeah, but you're saying that you guys admit that it wasn't concealed carried.
What you're doing right now?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're open carry.
Yeah, that was not concealed carry. Okay, very good. Suppose we're all on the same page.
Where'd you go to law school?
Would I go to law school? Why do you think I'm a lawyer?
What?
Why do you think I'm a lawyer?
That's what I'm asking.
Why do you think I'm a lawyer?
You're asking a question. You must be a lawyer.
Those are his words, bro, not mine. Just saying. I work in the city, man. This doesn't even get my heart going. You know what I mean? Out of respect to triplets is why I'm because of this. So.
Yeah, what's your, just for the record, what's your name, officer?
Coastman, right there. J.
Officer Koosman,
COSME.
COSME, and you are?
Mr. Kim, Michigan State University.
You're Officer Kim with the Michigan State University? Kim, P-A-R-V-I-A-I-N-E-N?
Yep.
Triple,
Williams.
oh, Williams. Okay, Cooper Williams. You guys had a few other guys show up too.
That's what we do. We have each other's back. I'm sure your brothers would have your back too. In a situation that's unknown to them. So I am in no way trying to disrespect you, dude. Not at all.
I mean, certainly this is private property. If they don't want me here, they can just tell me that they don't want me here. And
I don't think they
Yeah, I think it actually is paid for.
yeah, if it's private property, so if they don't want me here, they can certainly say, you know,
Right.
we prefer you not have your gun here. And I'm like, all right, now leave.
You do come here quite often, so if it gets to that point, then I would ask them. But I don't want you to leave. You guys came here to watch the game and have a good time. So
Came here to talk to friends.
if we figure it out and you're right, great. Figure it out and you're not right, I still don't think that it's bad for you. You know, I mean, you're a pretty informed guy, so
It sounds like somebody may have saw you in the bathroom. Just got
I'm not coming over here.
Bathroom.
I think somebody said in the bathroom they saw you and got a little freaked out maybe.
I didn't know.
But I don't think it was a staff person. So definitely sounds like they know you here and stuff. And I bet if they were made aware, they'd tell you like, hey, that's so and so. He's in here all the time. He's cool. So. But unfortunately,
I think it's fine. It took me a lawyer.
Those were my words.
you were definitely not mine. We all work for different places.
When people challenge law, I actually invite it because if there's something that I can learn, like I said when I first talked to you, if there's something that I need to learn, I'll learn it.
I'm not surprised about you and you. I'm surprised about him. I mean, this is his people that published this document.
I can't argue
And you
that.
know, I'll be the first to admit I don't know. I'm not very informed with them. You probably know more than me.
We deal with it a little. Your college kids aren't going to be doing that.
We're like weapons free altogether, so we don't ever deal with it. So
Actually, I'm not sure that's true either at MSU.
Yeah.
They say that as long as except as otherwise provided by state law.
correct. But like in the dorms, students can't have weapons on campus and stuff like that. So
Well, you know, certainly if they're walking around, if there's a guest on campus,
with like a CPO.
and as long as they don't go in the dorm.
Correct. Or like the state while the game's going on. So you know, I could probably learn some stuff from you.
Concealed carrying.
Yeah. Probably. How long you had your CPO?
Well, I think you guys can figure that out.
I was just trying to make conversation with you. I never looked at your stuff, so sorry.
You'll have to understand that we've told people to say as little as possible.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine.
Yeah, and I don't have a problem with you staying with it.
Right.
It was just that when you're in the restroom, the customer saw it, freaked them out. That's what happened.
I hear you.
But I don't have a problem with you
All right.
staying with it concealed. That's fine.
Well, I still open now.
Right.
Hit it in the holster
Yes.
right here.
So, I mean, that's fine. It doesn't bother me.
I think we've all established that it was open at this point.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Open, dude.
So,
There's
yeah.
no disagreement on that point.
Yeah, so no, it doesn't bother me. It doesn't make me uncomfortable. It's just that another customer
I'm
was
just
in the
establishing
restroom.
that fact in case something happens.
All right, Bill. Here's the thing. It's in the one that you gave us. It has no reference to any form basically bar at all, where their illicit sales are over.
It's the same statute. And actually, let me pull it up and I'll read this section for you. It says right here, it says, additionally, the above listed pistol-free zones for CP holders do not apply to the following individual when they are licensed to carry a concealed weapon. No, that's the wrong area. It says, here we go. Additionally, the person is licensed in their state. Got a new case. I hate it.
That's all right.
One exception: carrying concealed firearms. Let's see here. MCL 28.425.0 provides that a person with a valid CPL should not carry a concealed pistol in the pistol-free zones. First offense, state civil infraction. The following is a list of premises, and it says school
Mm-hmm.
property. It says right here, bar or tavern where the sale and consumption of liquor is by the glass is a primary source of income. Doesn't say anything about a percentage.
Primary source, sir.
It's not a percent.
50%.
Well,
Over
there's
50%.
words I mean there's a difference, officer. Note that the above statute applies to CPL holders carrying a concealed pistol. We've all established right now, unless I have another gun on me, I don't, that I'm not carrying a concealed pistol. If the CPL holder is carrying a non-concealed pistol, which we've all established, the statute does not apply.
Okay.
As noted above, the lawful premises in MCL 75234D do not apply to a person with a valid CPL. Therefore, a person with a valid CPL may carry a non-concealed pistol in the areas described in MCL 28.425.0 and MCL 750.2234D.
Okay.
So that is part of your own training material. I'd tell your person you talk to read the bottom right of page 2.
Okay, sounds good. So when you're in the bathroom, how was the gun secured?
It was in my holster.
It was in your holster on the ground, correct?
I was in the stall.
Yeah.
In the holster.
It was in the holster, though. Did you take it off? Did you keep it still? It was still attached to your pants, though.
I don't really feel like answering any questions.
Okay. Well, I'm just letting you know. Okay, sounds good. So here's the thing. We're not doing anything. I'm just talking to you. I'm trying to just advise. You seem to know a lot about it too. I'm just trying to make sure that you don't get in a situation again where it's questionable. Right? Yeah, I mean, don't you agree? Isn't that preferred? Isn't it
It's preferred that
we're
you guys
not here?
leave me alone, yeah.
Okay, perfect.
I'm just trying to enjoy lunch with my friends.
Perfect. Sounds good. So all I'm asking is that if you're in the bathroom, you gotta be careful with that, because if it's starting to hit the ground and separate from you, at that point it's just an unsecured gun, right? Even if it's attached to your pants, if you don't have your pants on, somebody just sees a gun in the stall. That's why we're here. I'm not trying to harass you.
And as you can see, I carry a retention holster as well.
Yep.
Even you had a little bit of difficulty with it.
I'm not. We're not addressing any concern. We're just
I'm
talking.
playing schematics.
Yeah, we're just talking. So yeah, you're all set. Now, I think you, through that reading of it, though, you understand that if this did sell, the majority of their sales through liquor, you would be in violation of it then?
No.
No?
It says right here, it says all the pistol-free zones, and one of the places is let's see here, where the primary source of income is the consumption of alcohol by the glass. It says, note, the above statutes apply to CPL holders carrying a concealed pistol. We've all established that I'm carrying a non-concealed pistol right now. If the CPL holder is carrying a non-concealed pistol, the statute does not apply. As noted above, the unlawful premises listed in MCL 75234D, which also say a place that's licensed to sell liquor, does not apply to a person with a valid CPL. I think we've all established I have a valid CPL.
Did you wear that coat in?
I had when I walked in, I had the coat off.
You had the coat off. All right, perfect. All I'm doing, again...
Therefore, a person with a valid CPL may carry a non-concealed pistol. In the area described as 28.425.0 and MCL 752.34D.
Perfect. I think we've established that. I'm not here to get you in trouble.
I just think that you should advise the person you were talking to go read the document again. Bottom of page 2, top of page 3. It makes it very clear.
Okay, sounds good. Well, I hope you guys have a good one. You guys have fun. Just make sure, obviously, that at any point that this stays remained open carry. Okay?
Of course.
All right, sounds good. Have a good one.